also the perception with cannabis, you must understand, if you consume cannabis in a manner where you smoke it, and you feel that euphoria, scared, and
Yes.
that.
So when you get high,
When you get high, yes, when you get high,
sharp.
and
Yes.
if you get like scared and stuff, it's not the THC. If you grow cannabis, this plant's got a rooting system. Everything that you feed it will take up and it will put it into the flower head. Your heavy metals, whatever it is. So if you grow it with chemicals, that chemical is going to sit in the flower. If you take that flower and you're going to burn that flower, you're going to activate that chemical. And it's that chemical that gives you that. So
yes, the anxiety,
that anxiety and stuff paranoia. Like that. So the paranoia.
Yes.
So if you grow cannabis the right way, the organic way, I don't like to call it high. I like to call it, I call it chill. Get chilled.
Yes,
just you're relaxed.
You relax.
But us as humans, we've got this thing of if there's a difference between having a drink and getting drunk. If you go to a bar to go and have a drink, doesn't mean necessarily you're going to get drunk. But we've got a tendency to take something that is relaxing and put this bad stigma to it, make it like. Drunk and dronk and
yes, hoog and
choked and I don't know why, but that's how the human are designed, and what I'm hoping to do is change the narrative of this whole dacha idea of cannabis, that people can see this is just a plant, this is a nutrient,